I'll take you through my pre-prep tan. This is a highly requested video and something which is really important to do before tanning, as it will give you a natural, long-lasting, even colour. The first thing I do is always take off my jewellery just to avoid getting any product into my nice jewellery. The next thing is dry brushing. This isn't something I always do, but when my skin is extra dry like it is today, I always dry brush first before getting in the shower. It's important to do it before showering. Always brush upwards towards the lymph nodes with a pressure that you can feel, but you don't want to be too harsh with this. Dry brushing removes dead skin cells, it boosts circulation, and it helps remove the lymph, toxins and water retention. So it's a really great thing to do, and something I'm definitely going to start doing more, especially as my skin is dry. I need a little extra circulation boost. So yeah, it was quite nice to do it today. It makes your skin feel invigorated. Make sure that you get all over the body. Don't forget your hands, elbows, knees, ankles and feet. These are all really important and where tan can build up. So it's really important you don't forget them. Next up is the body scrub. That is the Lucy B body scrub I quickly showed you. And I'm going to do circular motions all over my leg. Again, make sure you get all areas, do the full body. I'm not going to do that today because it just takes too long, but you want to remove all unwanted tan, remove dead skin cells. Your skin is constantly shedding dead skin cells, so doing a good exfoliation will just help when you do apply your tan. Now is the time to shave all unwanted hair. I normally wax, to be honest, but I'm just showing you shaving today. Do this the day before. If your pores are open when you do your tan, you may get little tan dots on your legs, which none of us want. So make sure you do this the night before tanning. In the shower, I will also do my neck, the back of my neck, and also my hair if I'm going to wash it. Now's the time to wash it. You want your hair to be dry when you apply your tan. You don't want damp skin, because if your skin is damp, the product will not react well. But I always do recommend exfoliating and doing the prep the night before, or at least the morning before. So if you're doing it that evening, that's fine, but definitely give yourself like a good few hours. So I've done my whole body exfoliation, I've removed all unwanted hair, I've dried myself down, and now I'm doing my face. I always cleanse and exfoliate my face after, just to make sure I haven't got any shampoo and conditioner on my skin. I don't want to leave that on there, so I just do it afterwards. This is the new Lucy B scrub. It again smells gorgeous and is great at removing tan. Make sure you're gentle with the scrub. Remember, the face is very delicate. Prevent aging by being kind and careful with your skin. Once you've done that, just dry your face off, and then I'm going to use Lucy B coconut oil as my moisturizer. I'm actually really lazy when it comes to moisturizing, but the night before tanning, it's always good to give your skin extra hydration. Don't moisturize the morning of unless it's really dry areas, because it will prevent the tan from doing its thing. I hope you guys found this useful, and looking forward to hearing what you think of this video. Thank you, bye.